Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my pineapple chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my chicken breast already clean and washed. I also have some pineapples that I've sliced myself. I also have some pineapple juice for the sauce. Of course, I have my seasoning. I also have some counter flour. And I also have some barbecue sauce. And of course, I have some ketchup just for the sauce. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and season my chicken breast. And guys, just a reminder, if you don't want to add all of this powdered seasoning, if you have your green seasoning, you can go ahead and add it as well. And just to note that I also added some garlic powder, and because I want some additional taste to my chicken breast, I'm going to go ahead and add some more garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and grate some more garlic, and I'll show you guys how I grated my garlic. Now, I know a lot of persons might not like the taste of garlic. That's fine. Again, guys, you don't have to add the grated garlic. You can go ahead and add the garlic powder if that's what you want. But for me, I'm gonna add the grated garlic because I think I love the taste of it, and I love the flavor also. Alright? And just a reminder that once I'm finished seasoning my chicken breast, I'm just going to place it to the side for roughly half hour. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys what I'm going to do next. Alright? Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and add all of the dry ingredients together, which consist of the counter flour and also the seasonings, the powdered seasoning rather. And I'm going to go ahead and coat my chicken in that, but I'm going to put it aside and start making my sauce for my chicken. So of course, I'm going to add the barbecue sauce and the ketchup to my pineapple juice. And I'm just going to combine everything together, put this to the side until it's time to make my sauce. Alright? And as you can see, this is really easy and simple, guys. Again, use whatever you have at home. If you don't have pineapple and you have something else, just go ahead and use that. And remember to leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Remember to like, share, and comment, alright? So guys, now it's time to go ahead and coat my chicken breast in the flour. And just a reminder, while I'm doing this, I have my frying pan on the stove that I'm going to fry my chicken breast in with some vegetable oil. So in a minute, I'm going to take you over to the stove. Then I'm going to show you what it looks like while frying and also what it looks like after finished frying. Alright? Alright guys, so as I had said earlier, I have my frying pan that I'm going to fry my chicken breast in, and this is it, well hot and ready for the chicken breast. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of the chicken breast to my frying pan with my oil. And If you guys have olive oil and you want to go ahead and use olive oil, then go ahead and use whatever you have. Again, guys, whatever you have in your pantry, whatever you have in your cupboard, go ahead and use it. You don't have to run to the store, just try to substitute. All right, so if you have mangoes at home but you want to try this recipe, go ahead and use mangoes. If you have OTET apple at home and you want to try apple or orange, go ahead and use whatever fruit you have at home. All right, just a reminder. So I'm gonna leave this to fry on one side for roughly 5 to 7 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and turn it over on the other side and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like, and I leave it for roughly 5 to 7 minutes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it over on the other side. And of course I'm gonna leave it to fry golden brown. I want it to be golden brown, but we have to be real careful. We have to watch it. So I'm just gonna leave it to fry on the other side for another 5 to 7 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like after it finished frying. Alright guys, so now my chicken breast is all fried. Now it's time to go ahead and remove them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add this to a plate with paper towel so that the excess oil will drain into the towel. Alright, and then we're gonna move on to make the sauce for our chicken breast. And again guys, just a reminder, if you have pineapple at home, if you have mangoes, if you have OTET apple, whatever you have, go ahead and use it. I mean, if you don't eat pineapple and you want to try something, another fruit, go ahead and do so. All right, just try to be creative as possible, and always remember that cooking is being creative, being yourself. All right. Alright, so now it's time to go ahead and add the pineapple juice, the barbecue sauce, and also the ketchup to my pot. And I'm also going to go ahead and add the pineapple pieces that I've already gone ahead and sliced up earlier. And basically we are almost finished, you know. We're just going to go ahead and add the chicken breast now, and we're finished. So I'm just adding the parsley flakes, and basically the parsley flakes is just for garnish. So I'm just going to go ahead now and add the chicken breast, and then I'm going to cover them with the sauce, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what I serve it up with, and also the final product of my pineapple chicken. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my pineapple chicken. As you can see, I serve it up with some white rice. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys try out my recipes. I hope you guys already subscribe to my channel. Remember to tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another video. Thank you guys. Bye.